मैंने अभी टोटल में 7,000 स्टेप चल चुका हूँ मेरे पास स्टेप. Guys, I saw something strange. Plus, Petra is too long. Hotel. We finally arrived the Dead Sea after 200 kilometers road trip. Just don't go on that thing. It's a quick stand. We're gonna get inside this sand. This is the place where donkey rest. I mean, to go in front. Free magnets from 1 JD. Not bad. Guys, as I was telling you that about the amphitheater in Amman, there's the same one right here. I'm gonna go there for sure. Wait, there's a car here. Oh, it's a cop car. There's some nets over it. A lot of souvenir shops in the middle. Guys, actually I bargained with the shop like so good that he thought a 5 dinar thing for 2 JD, which is awesome, right? I know. In return, after leaving this place, I'm literally gonna go to him quickly and rushing to him so good. I'm gonna get that piece. Okay, let's go to the amphitheater a little close. This hole is a stone. This everything you see is made of stone. Oh my god, what am I saying? I'm saying different things in excitement. I think it's a lake. It used to be a lake or like small river. नदी होगी शायद. चलो एम्फीथिएटर पे पहुंच गए और थोड़ा अंदर चलते हैं. I mean, अंदर जाना अलाउड नहीं है. यहाँ की रेती भी मुझे वादी रम जैसी लग रही है. लाल ही है. वादी रम में ना लगता है कलर एसेंस डाल दिया तो लाल हो गई. ये बटरफ्लाई. बस एम्फीथिएटर. ऑसम. मैंने अभी टोटल में 7,000 स्टेप चल चुका हूँ. मेरे पास स्टेप काउंटर है इसीलिए पता चलता है. Guys, I saw something strange. Plus, Petra is too long. We see that hill. Petra is like the whole Amman made of rocks. So I've covered a little bit of Amman. This is the duplicate edition. We're gonna go to the original one as well. I mean, it's gonna come in the way of Dead Sea. It's like 30 kilometers away from Dead Sea. After Dead Sea, Amman comes.
ثواني تفتح لي الصندوق بس. كم شخص معك؟
3.5 3.5
3.5.
عشان بيبي.
Hello friends, welcome to day 3 of Jordan. I'm just saying that once more to make the theme look kind of cool, that's why. So we are at the new hotel. We finally arrived at the Dead Sea after 200 kilometers road trip. It was disaster. Sitting 200 kilometers straight was kind of tiring. Sitting a lot of time also makes you tired. You keep on moving your body, and I literally feel like my all stuff are jammed, and we need to do some oiling. By the really cool painting, it looks like a masterpiece, like so many colors on it. It looks like it got ruined, like that's why. So we are at the hotel called as Holiday Inn, which is a hotel यानी वो जुड़ा हुआ है डेड सी के साथ. not that जुड़ा हुआ, वहीं पे एकदम पास में ही है डेड सी के. Not that, super close, super near. So let's go. Oh, I guess we're gonna go in the room now. Yeah, we're done checking in. Let's go. So subscribe, comment, share, and stay tuned. Let's have some looks at this superb hotel. I just found out the food court. Hi, how are you? Hi.